Ever wondered about the labyrinthine challenges of expanding your business internationally? Imagine navigating through uncharted territories, different cultural norms, legal complexities, and tax implications. It's a daunting task, isn't it? But what if there's someone who could guide you through this maze with ease? Enter Bernd Ferber, the CEO of Global Consultancy. Bernd Ferber is not just an advisor, but also a coach and a trainer. He's the pathfinder in the world of international business expansion, with a focus on the ASEAN states in 2024. Imagine having legal business addresses in 64 cities across 5 continents at your disposal. That's global accessibility at its finest. But Bernd's services don't stop there. He collaborates with authorized legal service providers to offer strategies for tax-optimized relocation and building substance in the context of international tax law. For entrepreneurs with a yearly profit of over €250,000, Bernd provides clarity through positioning and valuable time savings. His approach to business is collaborative, vibrant, and sustainable. With deep market understanding and extensive experience, particularly in shaping the future, Bernd's expertise shines in cross-cultural management and insights for global expansion in 2024, with a strong focus on the ASEAN region. Picture this: a world where the complexities of international business expansion are no longer a challenge, but a thrilling journey. That's the world Bernd Ferber helps create. In summary, Bernd Ferber's services are more than just solutions. They are a pathway to international business success. From providing legal business addresses across the globe, to offering strategies for tax-optimized relocation, to coaching and training for global expansion, Bernd Ferber is the guiding force behind successful international businesses. And the benefits? Clarity, time savings, and a sustainable approach to business that ensures not just growth, but also longevity. So as you navigate the world of international business, remember this: with Bernd Ferber, you're not just expanding your business, you're shaping its future.